As the light fades and dusk draws, all hope becomes despair.
Shadow the Hedgehog?
Do you wish to proceed?
Fuck yeah, I do.
Is that so?
That voice does something for me.
Let regret not fill your heart then.
Oh.
Hark!
Hark!
For your greatest fears manifest in yours truly.
Ah, hell yeah.
A monstrous creature takes shape from the darkness itself. A terrifying amalgam of bones, both human and animal. Grotesque, clawed fingers, and seething, swirling shadow.
Don't you call him grotesque. He's my baby.
From brazen earth to the heavens most incorrigible.
I ship it. I ship it.
The shadows quiver. The shadows quake and quail. Light has no purchase here.
Yeah, baby.
For I am XXX Shadow Lord 420X. Exclamation point.
No, I'm instantly, like, if it were me here, right now, I would get on one knee, and I would produce a ring for this wonderful creature. Like, I would wine him, I would dine him, I would do whatever he asked. Oh my god.
See you.
Okay, so he's got the 420. Does that mean he's willing to smoke a blunt with me? Cause like that makes it even better, right? Like, holy shit. Sweet handle, bro.